Here's a curated list of the world's most luxurious airlines, renowned for their exceptional facilities and services that redefine premium air travel. 1. Emirates, Dubai, UAE. Signature features: first-class suites, fully enclosed private cabins with floor-to-ceiling doors, ambient lighting, and virtual windows for middle suites. Onboard shower spa, available on Airbus A380s, offering first-class passengers a unique in-flight shower experience. IC Entertainment System, over 3,000 channels of movies, TV shows, music, and games on high-definition screens. Notable routes: Dubai to New York, London, and Sydney. Sparkles 2. Singapore Airlines. Singapore signature features: suites class, private cabins with sliding doors, standalone beds, and leather armchairs, available on select Airbus A380s. Book the Cook. Pre-order gourmet meals from a wide selection of dishes curated by world-renowned chefs. Chris World Entertainment. Extensive in-flight entertainment system with a vast library of content. Notable routes: Singapore to London, New York, and Sydney. Sparkles 3. Etihad Airways, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Signature features: The Residence, a 3-room suite in the sky featuring a living room, bedroom, and private bathroom with shower, complete with a personal butler. First Apartments, spacious suites with a separate reclining lounge chair and bed, vanity unit, and minibar. Business Studio, fully flat beds with direct aisle access and customizable lighting. Notable routes: Abu Dhabi to London, New York, and Sydney. Sparkles 4. Qatar Airways, Doha, Qatar. Signature features: White, first-class privacy in business class with sliding doors, lie-flat beds, and the option to create a double bed or a 4-person suite. Al Safwa First Lounge, an opulent lounge in Doha featuring fine dining, a spa, and private rooms. Oryx One Entertainment, a vast selection of movies, TV shows, games, and music. Notable routes: Doha to London, New York, and Tokyo. Air France, Paris, France. Signature features: La Premiere Suite, exclusive first-class cabin with only 4 suites per aircraft, offering a 2-meter bed, personal wardrobe, and gourmet dining by Michelin-starred chefs. Private lounge access, chauffeured transfers, and access to the La Premiere Lounge with spa treatments and fine dining. Customized service, personalized attention from dedicated staff throughout the journey. Notable routes: Paris to New York, Los Angeles, and Tokyo. Cathay Pacific, Hong Kong. Signature features: first-class suites, spacious seats that convert into fully flat beds, with personalized service and fine dining options. Aria Suite, business class. Enhanced privacy with sliding doors, wireless charging, and 4K entertainment screens. Studio CX Entertainment, a comprehensive in-flight entertainment system with a wide range of content. Notable routes: Hong Kong to London, New York, and Sydney. Lufthansa, Germany. Signature features: first-class cabin, spacious leather seats that turn into 6 5-foot beds with temperature-adjustable mattresses and fine linen. First-class terminal, Frankfurt, a private terminal with chauffeur service to the aircraft, fine dining, and personal assistance. Fine dining on board, multi-course gourmet meals paired with top-tier wines and champagne. Notable routes: Frankfurt to Tokyo, New York, and Johannesburg. Turkish Airlines, Turkey. Signature features: business class pods, lie-flat seats, ambient lighting, and a personal reading lamp. Flying Chef, on board chefs prepare fresh gourmet meals during long-haul flights. Istanbul Lounge, spa services, private suites, and a massive buffet make this lounge a destination in itself. Notable routes: Istanbul to Los Angeles, Bangkok, and Cape Town. ANA All Nippon Airways, Japan's signature features: the suite, first-class sliding doors for full privacy, 43-inch 4K monitor, and Japanese Western fusion dining. Omotenashi Service, world-renowned Japanese hospitality, with attention to minute passenger details. The Room, business class. One of the widest business class seats, with doors and large workspaces. Notable routes: Tokyo to New York, London, and San Francisco. Swiss International Airlines, Switzerland's signature features: first-class cabin, elegant design with wide seats that turn into flatbeds, gourmet menus, and fine Swiss chocolates. Privacy and space. Fewer first-class seats mean more exclusivity. Premium lounges. First-class lounges in Zurich with fine dining, day rooms, and mini suites. Notable routes: Zurich to San Francisco, Bangkok, and British Airways. United Kingdom's signature features: the first suite, upgraded luxury seats with privacy doors, plush bedding by the White Company, and refined British service. Concord Room, an elite lounge with waiter service, private cabanas, and designer furniture. Club Suite, business direct aisle access 18, 5-inch screens, and fully flat beds. Notable routes: London to Singapore, Washington D, and Cape Town. Korean Air. South Korea's signature features: Cosmos Suites, fully enclosed suites with wood finishes, luxurious bedding, and wide personal space. In-flight dining. Korean delicacies like bibimbap and top-tier wine lists. Exclusive lounges. First-class lounges at Incheon Airport with shower rooms and full-course meals. Notable routes: Seoul to Paris, Los Angeles, and Sydney. Subscribe for more.